Number 8 came through in the building. OLAPLEX number 8 came through with the
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on? It's a girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to do a review of the OLAPLEX system. Mostly I'm going to be focusing on their new product they just came out with, their number 8. It's the OLAPLEX number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. You guys know how I feel about deep conditioner slash mask slash what's another name for them, deep treatments. I have an entire series dedicated to trying out new deep conditioners and let you guys know how I feel about them and testing the claims. So I'm excited to be reviewing these products by OLAPLEX to give you guys the, is it 111 411? It's definitely not 911. Yes, the products didn't do any damage. Let me tell you what the products claim to do. First of all, it's right in front of our faces. I said it's going to moisturize, smooths, adds body and shine. So it's 3.3 fluid ounces, and OLAPLEX, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I love you guys, but I'm gonna need this in a bigger bottle, please. This highly concentrated 4-in-1, so it's 4-in-1 reparative mask, adds shine and body while providing intense moisture to treat damaged hair. Okay, OLAPLEX. Big shout out to OLAPLEX for sponsoring this video. I have been using their products for a while. They did send me the products first to try out a couple months ago, and then now I'm actually working with them to let you guys know about it. OLAPLEX has a variety of different products ranging from their number 0, their number 3, 4, 6, 7, and their new number 8. So if you guys want to try any of these products, check the description box below for my link. You know, help your girl out and I'll greatly appreciate it. So if you want to try any of these products, check the description box for my link so you can order through my link. I'm also going to be talking about or showing you guys how I use the number 4, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and this claims to repair, strengthen, and nourishes all hair types. 3.3 fluid ounces, but this is extremely concentrated. Even though the bottle is really small, this will definitely last me a long time because I still have my first bottle from OLAPLEX, and a little goes a long way. This is also formulated with the OLAPLEX Bond Building Chemistry, restores, repairs, and nourishes to add incredible shine and manageability every time you shampoo. I started off with the shampoo, of course, because the purpose of a shampoo is to cleanse, right? To remove all the buildup and dirt and extra goodness on your hair, right? As I said, this shampoo is very concentrated, and I'm going to show you guys clips of how thick it is, and it has a nice citrus subtle smell, not too overbearing, because you guys know how I feel about scents in my hair products. I mean, I don't really care for them, but I just don't like to open products and I'm like, oh, take it back. If it does, it's whatever. But so it's a nice clean smell. When I used this, at first I was a little scared because I was like, why is it so thick? Like, I'm not used to shampoos being this thick, but it did the job, right? Cleansed my hair. After I rinsed out the product, I had a lot of shine, and it's actually on the moisturizing side, so you know it's natural. We love when shampoos, well, I do, I don't know about you, but I love when shampoos still clean my hair but still leaves my hair manageable, because listen, if the shampoo is too drying, my hair can become very unruly, and no boo. You don't have time for that in the shower, especially with all this hair. Oh yes guys, so I did shampoo and deep condition my hair with the product, and I did went ahead and style. Look at the definition. Bomb hair starts from wash day, so we use these products for wash day. So clink clink. So let's talk about the deep conditioner. As I said in the beginning, the only thing is I just wish the bottle was a little bigger, but it is what it is. It claims to provide 2 times more shine, 4 times more hydration, and 6 times more smoothness. So we have some big claims in this little bottle right here. It contains no protein. The majority of a lot of deep conditioners either having too much protein or coconut oil, and I know a lot of us tend to not always want want to use those ingredients, and it's okay. I understand. Sometimes you want our deep conditioner to provide a lot more moisture versus strength, but some of us do need the strength, or some of us do need the moisture, or some of us need a mixture of both. But this has no protein inside of it, the deep conditioner, the moisture mask, so they're calling it a moisture mask. So it doesn't have any protein inside of it whatsoever, and it's very concentrated, so a little goes a long way with this product as well, even though I was a little scared to use it because I didn't want to finish it in one use. But it does absorb pretty quickly into the hair, and it doesn't sit on top, and those are some qualities of a good, actually not a good, of a great, well, let's add another word to the vocabulary. Those are the qualities of an awesome hair mask. Of course, we don't want products to sit and rest on top of our hair. We want it to sink into the cuticles, sink into the hair strand, and do your job. Like, while your hair is sitting and not doing anything, like, we need you to penetrate and work, right? You know, like work. OLAPLEX fee, work. One more thing that I wanted to mention is the pump. So it has an airless pump. You won't waste too much of the product. Right now it's waste not 2021. You know, when you use a product and you can't get all of the product inside, so the pump actually goes all the way to the top, so it brings all the product to the top. It's pretty interesting. So you control amount of use and decrease the amount of waste. Waste not 2021. Repeat after me: waste not 2021, because these are some serious times. For real though. I heard it through the grapevine that a lot of you wanted OLAPLEX to come through with a hair mask or a deep conditioning treatment of that sort, and they did. Number 8 came through in the building. OLAPLEX number 8 came through with the moisture mask, so you guys should definitely check it out if you want to try. You guys know OLAPLEX brings nothing but quality products to you guys, so I'm excited for you guys to try it. So try it out and let me know. I already showed you guys how it worked on my hair, but my end review is that, well, we're talking about the moisture mask. It did moisturize, it did smooth. I had some body and I had some shine. Ain't no complaints. I didn't know what to expect, but the products worked out really well in my hair. Hopefully you guys get the same experience. I'm not just saying this because, you know, they're sponsoring this video, but so definitely try it out. As I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.